So today I'm going to do a little bit of a recap on some of my thrift store buys. Yesterday I made some marmalade in the weck jars that I picked up, and everything's sealed. The way you can tell that they seal is by lifting them by the glass lid when you've removed the metal clips, and everything is sealed, so I'm very pleased with that. Yes, the weck jars are what I picked up at the thrift store, not the marmalade that's in there. That's how they were used. The next item would be the Royal Albert mug. Quite thrilled to have found this. It is something that I use. I love these mugs. I love fine china for coffee in the morning. And at $4 for this mug, brand new. All the gold is still there, not worn out. It was a wonderful find as well. So everyone at thrift shops has their own idea of what is of value and what isn't, and I still love things like china and crystal, which a lot of people don't, and you do find a lot of crystal there, but a lot of it I pass by because you don't really need most of it. But I found these lovely crystal candle sticks. They're quite small, very elegant, and they were $3 a piece, so $2.99 a piece actually. So, and with a short candle, I keep them ready for when there is an electrical failure, which does happen. It's not uncommon, so keep them on the sideboard with a lighter beside it or just close by, and I know where my candles and my lighter is when I need a quick light to accommodate a power failure. And the last item I picked up today was, well, I do love books, and I always keep my eye out on interesting books, and today I found something called The Moral Compass, which looked rather interesting. Apparently there are short stories about offering examples of good and bad, right and wrong, in great works from literature and exemplary stories from history. So yeah, I thought it might be worthwhile looking at this book. So that is my thrift store buys this week. Thank you and have a good day.